I ask y'all a question. What do you think this is for right here? This little cutout inside this cover that comes with batteries whenever you do a battery replacement. Well, I'm working on a 2018 Dodge Charger right now, and I'm going to show you what this is for. And most of you don't know what it's for. But this little thing right here is actually pretty important. So, whenever you install the new battery, you'll take this little plastic elbow off the old battery and transfer it to the new one. And then you'll push this little vent tube that goes through the floor onto that elbow, and on that positive plastic red cap you'll go ahead and work that little tab back and forth, and you'll pop this little thing out of there. This is a little tab that you broke off of there, and then you shove it in this side because there's no vent line over here, but there is a vent line over there. So you plug this side and you hook that vent line up, and most people don't even know what this is. They just throw it away. They don't even know that that's what it's supposed to be used for. Believe it or not, I just asked one of the mechanics here at work. I was like, what do you think that's for? And he said, I have no idea. I just throw those plastic tabs away. Well, that's what it's for right there. Sometimes you'll have a vent line on one side and the other side, and you don't need a plug. Sometimes you won't have a vent line at all, and you'll have to put a plug in both sides, or you won't be able to put a plug. Just all depends. But you don't want this being able to off-gas in the rear of the cargo area where people breathe and stuff like that. Sometimes they stick it under the passenger seat, under the driver, whatever it may be, in between the rear seats and the front seats, in the middle. But this is what that little plug is for. And the aftermarket batteries that have the little tab you can break off. Many of you honestly knew what that little tab was for that you could break off? Be honest. Most of you are not going to know what that tab was even for. Most of you do exactly what that other mechanic said he does here. Rip it off, throw it away. Let me know in the comment section. Y'all be blessed.